This is Motorola Moto G42, and in today's video we are going to show how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this smartphone. First of all, you need to launch the settings. Next, enter the network and internet category. In here, enter the calls and SMS section, SIM preferences, and in here choose the manual way of dual SIM usage. Choose what SIM card will be used for the voice calls. Next, you can select some of the contacts you have. Next, choose what SIM card is going to be used for data and SMS messages. Finally, you are able to customize your SIM cards. For example, set a custom and personalized name, number, color, ringtone, and carrier. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.